Hi, guys! In Bulgaria, this means no, and this means yes. When we came to Bulgaria, we didn't know that, and this is what happened.
Look, Lily, look at the road. It is yellow. It is made of gold.
It's not gold, Mike. It's just yellow.
No, this is the yellow brick road. We are in the Wizard of Oz. Where is the lion? Where is the scarecrow?
Sorry, Mike. No wizards today. We are going to the Plovdiv ancient fortress. But first, we need a car.
Excuse me, this car is very small. We are a big family. Do you have a larger car? Okay. We will take the yellow car.
It's a bit tight, isn't it?
Excuse me, is this the road to Plovdiv? Plovdiv! Plovdiv! Fantastic! He nodded. That means yes! Let's go, family! Wow, look at all the roses! Interesting fact, Bulgaria produces 85% of the world's rose oil.
What is rose oil? Can I make pancakes with it?
No, Lily. It is for perfume and medicine. It is very expensive. Hello. Is there a hotel nearby? Hotel? She shook her head no. No hotels in the whole valley?
Okay, family, we have no choice. We will sleep in the field, in the rose field.
Woo!
Well, let's go, family. I think we are very close now.
They're coming closer!
Brace yourselves! Wow, they're dancing!
It's so wild! Aliens! Monsters! Dad, save us! They want to eat us! Don't worry, Mike. I will protect you. But they're so big. Stay back! Help! They are kidnapping us!
I'm getting us out of here! Oh no! The car is broken!
Look at all these people. They are watching and they are not scared. These are not monsters, Mike. This is a local festival.
A festival? So they don't want to eat my brain?
No, Mike. It's just a tradition. Okay, but is there a cafe here? I am so hungry. Me too. Let's find a cafe.
I am so hungry. What is banitsa? What is shopska salad?
Are you Americans?
Yes! We are lost! The monsters attacked us!
Those are not monsters. Those are kukeri. They put on masks and dance. It's a very old tradition to scare away evil spirits. Oh, I see. Well, we want to try Bulgarian food. Can you help us choose? Of course.
This is shopska salad. It has tomatoes, cucumbers, and white cheese. It is very fresh.
And what is this? It looks like a long sausage.
That is kebabche. It is grilled meat with spices. It's delicious. And you should drink this. It's ayran. It is yogurt with water and salt.
And this? This looks like white water with grass. It's a very strange dish.
That is Tarator. It is a cold soup with yogurt, cucumbers, and garlic. It is perfect for a hot day. Try it.
Oh, it's actually good. It's cold and crunchy.
I'm glad you like it. But do you know what is the strangest thing in Bulgaria?
What?
What? What is it?
This means no.
And this means yes. It's the opposite of your country.
Oh, that explains everything. That is why we are lost. Every time someone said yes, we thought they said no.
And I thought the car rental man didn't have any big cars.
But wait, how can we go back to Sofia? Our car is broken.
My friend can help you. He is going to Plovdiv and then Sofia.
Jump in! I can drive you. We can see some interesting places on the way. That sounds wonderful. Thank you. Hold on tight.
And on our way to Sofia, we visited the famous 7 hills of Plovdiv, the Plovdiv ancient fortress, Nesabar, a very old city by the sea, the Belagracic rocks. When we finally arrived in Sofia, we were absolutely exhausted, but incredibly happy. Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, and like this video. Thank you.